was that?
I know you're in here.
Oh, what?
You want to play games, huh? Fine. I got all the time in the world.
No, you don't. There's aliens.